Hey guys, welcome back my channel English with Gulnar. Today I am gonna talk about the most frustrating part of English learning. Can you guess what? These are phrasal verbs, and I'm sure that all of you heard them from different conversations because they are commonly used in every conversation. For example, you're in the street and you're listening to music and singing so loudly, and you can hear from someone, "Hey you, cut it out." And you can think what to cut, but there is no any connection between cut and cut out, because cut out is a phrasal verb and it means absolutely different. Yeah, it can sound weird for you, but it's really essential to know them. And there are lots of phrasal verbs in English, and I cannot teach you them in 2 or 3 lessons, but today I am gonna to teach you some of them which are really essential in everyday conversation. So guys, if you are ready, let's get started. So guys, I am gonna explain these phrasal verbs by making small dialects because I think it's easy way to learn them, to get them from dialects. I can't hear you well. Is there anyone near you? So why are you whispering? Speak up. So guys, in this small dialogue, I use the phrasal verb speak up, and I think and I hope that all of you got what does it mean. Speak up means to speak loudly. You can't imagine what news I got now. It's the only thing that I need now. Our salary will go up in April. Are you serious? Oh, I really didn't expect that. As you see in this video, I use the phrasal verb go up. But did you guess what does it mean? Go up means to increase or to rise. Oh, can you turn it down, please? I have an exam tomorrow and I can't concentrate.
Can I be cross for a moment with BMW?
So guys, in this video, I use the phrasal verb turn down, and it means to reduce the volume of a sound. But it has a second meaning too. Let's watch how to use it and what does it mean. You know, I've been looking for a job for 3 months, but there is no any offer from anyone. Oh, last time my aunt was looking for a waitress for her cafe. Maybe she hasn't found yet, I can ask her. If yes, would you like to work there? Are you kidding? Do I have any choice? I cannot turn it down. I need it too much. So guys, it was a short dialogue between two friends, and as you see, she is not ready to turn down any offer. But did you get what does it mean? What is the second meaning of turn down? Turn down means to refuse something. Can you read what's written there? I cannot read well. Let me try. Oh no, I cannot see. We have the same problem as well. Okay, let me put on my glasses. In this video, I use the phrasal verb put on. As a phrasal verb, it has different meanings, but here I use just one of them. Put on in this video means to cover your body with something. For example, you can put on makeup, you can put on dress, or you can put on glasses, doesn't matter. Is it too hot here? No, why are you asking? Because you're sitting with your hat and I feel like we are outside and it's snowing. Oh, I forgot. Let me take it off. So here I use the phrasal verb take off. Take off is the opposite of put on. Take off means to remove something. For example, like a hat, or you can take off dress, doesn't matter. Oh look, it's raining outside. I can't believe it. We have to put off our picnic again. Phrasal verb put off, have you ever heard it? It's also commonly used in daily conversations and it means to delay something, like a picnic I mentioned before. My interview was not very good as I expected. I think they will not like my qualifications. Why do you think so? They will definitely choose you. I don't think there was someone better than you. Come on, you're just cheering me on. Cheer on. This phrasal verb is definitely what you are looking for a long time because everyone needs to know it. Cheer on means to support someone by giving them the words of encouragement. Yeah, it was so tough week for me and I need to rest and to go somewhere with friends. What's the best place for hanging out? In this video, I used the phrasal verb hang out and I think that all of you heard it from different conversations because it's too famous. And hang out means to spend good time with friends or with someone in some places. So guys, today's video was about phrasal verbs and phrasal verbs are really important to know because phrasal verbs really help you to sound more natural, more fluent, and by learning and improving phrasal verbs you can become a student with efficient and effective communication. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more lessons from me. And I hope you will like and you will enjoy my video while watching. See you in the next videos.